Bubba, it's coming a snowstorm tonight. Are you ready for it?
No.
He's not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's coming a snowstorm tonight.
No.
It is. And you all can come along with us.
No.
What are we going to do during the snowstorm?
No.
Stay warm.
No.
We're getting a massive snowstorm. How do we get ready for the snowstorm? Mama cooks her famous German dish. Called the dish. Bubba's drawing a little bit right now, aren't you, big boy? Drawing? And Mama, what are you doing?
We're putting a bib on baby Kate.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside. Live. All right, what's this dish you speak of here, honey?
It's a family secret, Bo. Rice, cheese, and sausage.
And
The
grilled
dish.
mushroom.
And grilled mushroom.
This right here is the perfect snowstorm meal. Nice warm meal before the winter snow heads our way. Bubba's got his boggin on ready for the snowstorm. Let's see you jump.
Let's see you.
Whoa!
You can jump up way high, can you, baby Kate? You can jump up way high. All right, we'll let her wear the hat so she can jump. But Sissy wear the hat.
What are you all doing? Oh, you're playing football. What do you got, Sissy? See if you can catch it. Ready? Oh, that's a bad throw by Dada. All right, now throw it to Dada. Throw it to me. Hey, I ain't up there. Don't throw it to Dada's picture. Throw it to Dada over here, bro. All right, it is bedtime. Will we wake up to a bunch of snow outside? Do you think so, Bubba? Do you think so, Sissy? I think we will. What are you smiling at, pretty girl? What's Bubba smiling at? Now we're going with a late night snack. Cheese and chicken. Right, Bubba? There's a gorilla smash.
All right, who's next? Hush it. Oh no!
All right, we just woke up to a winter wonderland out here. So Dada has got his two little girls and Bubba's still sleeping as the snow keeps falling. What do you think about the snow, Sissy? What are you doing, you rascal? Look at her. So Mama's went to work and Nana's here cooking some breakfast.
Yes, sir.
And Papaw's back there getting Bubba. We got Papaw making some eggs. Bubba, look outside, it snowed. Wow, dude.
Is that Papa's boy?
Open that door, let that boy see that snow. What do you think, Bubba?
Look at all the snow, Buffy.
Baby Kate's sleeping good. Now what are you doing? You ain't gonna wake Baby Kate up, are you? All right, I came to the garage. I'm gonna hop on the bike because you see here, I've got a broken calcaneus bone for those of you that don't know. So I'm gonna hop on the bike. I'm gonna turn the mop on. The dogs have got this down here, muddy as can be. Not really muddy, but dirty. They've brought in mud, I should say. So, hopping on the bike, try to get a little rehab in. I got the heater on over there, warming this place up. Gonna hang out with the dogs for a bit. Here you go, sissy. Bottle time. You get your bottle too, big boy. Bubba got his bottle and it's nap time, isn't it, big boy? We just got a delivery from the FedEx man. Didn't we, Bubba? Is it one of your toys from Santa Claus? We got the perfect lock. Wow. What's she doing?
The papa.
Huh?
The papa.
Uh-oh. 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 He's got that in his head. He's gonna slam it. Oh! I'm down. Not for long. Some of this. Do you want some of this? Come on. Oh, he's got this. Oh no. Oh, I'm pulling. Bubba built a choo-choo train, didn't you, Bub? Wow.
And did in it. Dog in it.
Look who's decided to join us. It's Sissy. What are you doing? Girl? What you doing? Baby Kate's still snoozing good. And Papa brought us some Wendy's.
Did you find that? That's cute.
Look who decided to wake up. It's baby Kate. Left the babies for a little bit with Nana and Papa coming to visit the family up the hill here. All right, I'm getting out with my cousin Wes. We're gonna stir around a little bit and go to the gym. We're going to the gym and hanging out with some of our buddies. Mom and Dad's watching babies right now. Mama's at work, so let's go. All right, we came to the gym. We're gonna get us a good pump in.
Looks good. Good form.
Now, I broke my calcaneus, so this is my walk. I'm getting better though. There's Big Lige.
I tried to FaceTime you over there.
Oh, was that you actually
sent a
did?
picture of Kyson and Casper.
What you doing, girl? Watch out for Josie there, Jordan. Now we're getting a little Mexicano. They're out west. Oh yeah. Finally made it back home. Bubba just got out of the bathtub. Sissy just got out of the bathtub. Everything is going good here. Mama gets off in about an hour and 11 minutes, so she'll be here in a little bit.
Hello.
Who you talking to?
Hello. Hello.
Bubba's riding that big bull back here. Whoa!
Whoa,
Peppa and Bubba.
he can go all the way up the front.
We'll see you ride it, Bubba.
Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Show him that. Here you go. It's coming in the bucket.
Mama's made it home.
What are you eating?
It's fun.
Snappy?
He's eating nuggies.
That's in your bag. That's
We're watching The Grinch.
Just watch him, man. Watch him.
What are you eating on, Mama? Uh-oh, Sissy's jumping. What are you eating on, Mama?
So we're eating a taco bowl.
How was your day at work?
It was good.
Are you glad to be home?
Yes.
I'm glad that's your home. Ain't that right, Sissy? Front flip. Whoa! Sissy done a front flip, didn't you, Sissy?
Where did Bluey go?
Mama?
Come on. Where's Bluey? Bub, where's... There he is.
Front flip. Whoa! Woo! All right, it's Bubba's turn. Come on, Bubba. Whoa! Blam! Wow! Boom! Ah! Bubba, slam! What? Boom! So now what did we just make, Sissy? What was you riding there? Huh?
Horsey.
No, you was riding a big bull. So I just got on Grok and made her on ride a big bull, and she likes to watch that. And he does too. So I'm going to show you that. That's what's up next. Now Mama's got baby Kate.
Oh, let me kiss your finger, Papa. What happened to your finger,
Baby
Papa?
Kate, what are you doing, girl? Oh.
What?
Baby,
Can her say Mama? You want a Scooby snack? We only get cookies.
Baby Kate's eating her baba.
We only get cookies if we
Mama's baby Kate's reading the Grinch, y'all. What do you think about the Grinch? Mama made some cookies, y'all. Let's see them, babe. Show the camera.
They're Christmassy.
Come over here and show what you made for the family.
I didn't make them.
Oh, Bubba and Sissy made these Christmas cookies?
Who made the Christmas tree?
Wow, Christmas trees. Don't touch it. It's hot.
Let it cool.
You gotta let it cool. Thank you all.
When you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time.
Don't have any lunch money.
Understand you, then
I don't have any lunch money. All right, I'm going with reindeer. One to see if Bubba is good at making cookies. That is good. What in the world is going on in there? Well, it turns out Sissy just pooped in the potty for, I mean, it's the first time in a while, but the second time in general. So that's a big milestone for your sister. That's why Mama hollered just a second ago. What are you doing? Ah.
Bobby, I said this and purple. What do you think of the Bob? This purple. This thing, Miss Baby. I could buy the
It's not great.
we won't do, or don't you? We might be about you.
Jump on there. All right, we've built a fort, and we're gonna scare Mama when she comes back in here. All right. Oh, stay right there. I hear Mama coming in here. Oh no! Don't knock it down. Oh no!
Are they hiding?
Yeah, they're hiding.
Where is Papa? Is he under this? Ah! Let me see. Wow, where did Bubby go?
Oh no! The fort! Again? Okay. Now shoot it. Oh, good shot, boy. Sissy's going to shoot it. Shoot it, Sissy. Oh, she's a dunker. She drives the lane and dunks on dunkers.
Sister, good
Oh, she's going with the big ball. Oh, good shot. Let's see your all's follow-throughs. Let's see your follow-through. Anybody follow through? Mama. Good follow-through, Mama. Ball in. Good job, Sissy made it again. We're all wore out around here, and it's time for bed. I've got Sissy with me. We're watching some Scooby-Doo. But if you like this content, I'm putting out a video every week, so don't forget to like and subscribe.